Hey, my name is Savo, and I just took Patricia's class. It's called HypnoKinesthetics, and it was a very powerful class. We're here in this Hypno Conference in Las Vegas, and there was a lot of classes, but her class was brilliant, something that really resonated with me and many other students. And the reason why it's so powerful is because she has great understanding of NLP techniques, and what I really respect about her work is that she took this NLP to another level. And basically, what she does, the main principle is, the way I see it, is basically, you have all these great techniques that help you change your mind. And then get you where you want to be. But then the main thing is that you're using your body the whole time, and I guess that's the core. When you put your mind and body together, the results that you can achieve are just amazing. So I would recommend this to anyone. It's a beautiful, profound, life-changing experience.